Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, this is your US General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. Today is Friday, and as you already know, on a Friday, it's always a snap-on Friday. Okay, I just got off the truck just now. Unfortunately, I did leave my recording device back in the shop. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get over here to the top. Of the tool cart, and as you can see, this is the new Snap-on Tech Extra February 10th to March 31st 2020 flyer catalog right here. This is their most newest update that you see sitting at the top of the tool chest. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into a little bit of this real quick and basically see, what they're offering out there. Okay, just to give everybody a little quick previous look. This is their power tool solutions. Okay, this is the 14.4 volt 90 LED cordless underhood light. As you can see, the price dropped from 200 to 179. Okay, give you a good look at basically what they got going on. As you already know, we are in the shop. Get into it at the prior moment. All right, as you can see, they got their blue point impacts over there. I don't really do blue point, but it is what it is. Everybody has their own set preference as far as what type of equipment and tools that they use. I'm not biased to using any type tools as long as basically it can get the job done. But everybody do have their personal own preferences out there. Okay, as you can see, they have their TPMS4 tire pressure sensor monitoring system, and as you can see down here, they got the TPMS4 software. Okay, also you can see that they have their wireless battery system tester here. Then they also have the handheld gas analyzer, 5 gas analyzer. Okay, moving along. Okay, these are going to be your welding solutions that they have going on. They got your butane gas torches. As you can see, this is all in the welding solutions. Okay, moving along, they have some welding accessories. As you can see, have a different assortment, a variety of helmets. Okay, moving along, as you can see, they have dent pulling solutions. They have the paintless pulling, clamps and hooks. Alright, moving along. Okay, now we're moving into the surface prep. Okay, you have your long neck die grinders. You got your orbital sanders. Over here, moving along, as you can see, they have the paint and polishing, and they also have the plastic repair. Sorry for the lighting, because I am in a shop, and I know it's kind of glaring between the recording device and the actual catalog. Okay, you have your body repair solutions. Okay, as you can see, they also have their 2-piece and 3-piece instinct trim pad tool sets. Okay, moving along. Now we're gonna go into shop lightings. Okay, you have your rechargeable lumen floodlights, hands-free neck light. Okay, moving along, as you can see over here, you have your safety equipment. They have different varieties of gloves. Okay, and safety glass protection with earbuds. Okay, moving along, they have your lifting solutions. Okay, and then they also have your shop accessories. Okay, this under hood service tray right here, I'm liking that right there. Yeah, liking that right there. Okay, and as you can see here on the back, they have their low profile uh, ratchet and socket sets. Okay, metric and standard SAE. Give you a little quick clear view. Okay, they also have they stay organized and productive magnetic sticks. You got your locker socket rails. Okay, so that's pretty much gonna be just it on this catalog right here. As you can see, this is the February 10th to March 31st. All right, so you already know, like I said, this is Friday, and when Friday comes around, it always is a snap on Friday. Alright, this is your US General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. So you already know, there's a lot going on. I don't know if you can see the ratchets that are that you see the heads folded. Those are the 24-inch long, half-inch drive ratchets. Okay. Okay. So into the next one. I'm gonna check you later. Peace.